Guys, do you also have a necklace or any artificial jewelry like this which is like completely rusted or its shine has completely gone and now you're not able to wear it because artificial jewelries get damaged very easily. Like this, as you can see, this necklace has been completely rusted or its shine has gone. So today I'm going to show you how you can repair your artificial jewelries in a minute. For this, first of all, you will need any metallic nail paint shade. You can use golden, silver, rose gold. Here I am taking copper luster of Revlon 386. Now all you have to do is just carefully apply the nail paint on the rusted parts of your necklace or just completely cover it to give it a nice shine and color. If you want to know how I do this nail art, then just click on the info button and check out full tutorial. So after painting the whole necklace, it will look like this. You can see how lovely it looks and no one can tell that we have applied nail paint on this. This is how you can recover all your artificial jewelries. Hope so you'll like this video. Make sure to give it a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section below if you find this hack useful. See you until my next video.